Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell, levels or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,989, the attic window where spirits try to escape into the ether. Value area, low, VAL, 6,981, the creaky cellar door that keeps the bears locked in the dark. Point of control, POC, 6988, the flickering chandelier in the grand ballroom where most ghostly trade congregated. Support zone, 6975 to 6981. The sturdy stone foundation that resists the sinking into the underworld. Resistance zone, 6,989 to 6,991. The heavy iron gates that require a massive surge of energy to swing open. Single print escape paths. Upper, 6,991 to 6,991. A narrow secret passage into the belfry. If breached, the haunting moves to higher floors. Market context. Today's profile is a high-altitude seance. Price has hovered, eerily, in a tight range between 6,975 and 6,991, refusing to descend back into the lower halls. The massive plunge in COED to negative 7,258 was a terrifying poltergeist manifestation that was eventually exorcised, leaving the market in a state of levitation near the highs. It is a balancing act in the attic, waiting for a sign from the spirits to either break through the roof or fall back down the chimney. 3-day march through the manor. Day 3, January 5th. POC 6909. High, 6,964. Low, 6,903. The basement spirits began to wail as value stirred from the depths. Day 2, January 6th. POC 6,940. High, 6,992. Low, 6,931. Ghosts drifted up the grand staircase, expanding the haunting to the middle floors. Day 1, January 7th. POC 6,988. High, 6,991. Low, 6,975. The specters are currently huddled in the highest belfry, balancing their energy before the next haunting. Value has climbed steadily over 3 sessions, and today represents a high-level consolidation. Acceptance above the attic window at 6,989 would crown a ghostly continuation. A failure to hold the cellar door at 6,981 invites a terrifying rotation back to the lower grand staircase. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session, open, CVD, negative 241 contracts. The day began with a faint, chilling whisper from the sellers. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 676, a sudden manifestation of spirit energy from the bulls. Current CVD, negative 329, net negative 88. From open, the poltergeists have pulled the energy back down to near the opening silence. Intraday low, CVD, negative 7,258, a terrifying plunge into the dark abyss earlier in the session that was miraculously bought back. Interpretation. Aggressive phantom selling was met with a powerful exorcism. Any further rally will need a fresh surge of ectoplasm to push past the attic gates at 6,991. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,981 to 6,983. Stop loss, below the graveyard, low at approximately 6,975. 4 ticks beneath the daily low, or use ATR, approximately 8 points below entry. Profit target, the ballroom chandelier at POC, 6988. Major target at the attic window, 6989. Short trades. Entry zone, on rejection of VAH, 6989 to 6991, or a cold breakdown through the seller floor at 6981. Stop loss, above the iron gates at approximately 6,992, or ATR, above entry. Profit target, POC, for the first partial, then down to the staircase at 6,940. Position sizing, use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per seance, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended floorboard after the first target is captured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above, VAH. The spirits fly through the roof at 6,989. Setup. Enter long above 6,989 with stop at 6,984. Target 7,000 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. Ghosts are slammed back from the ceiling between 6,989 and 6,991. Setup. Short on first failure off the attic window. Stop above 6,992. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The seller floorboards give way at 6,981. Setup. Short a break below 6,981. Stop above 6,986. Target the lower levels at 6,940. Scenario D. Value bounce. The spirits find comfort at the cellar door and refuse to leave. Setup. Long at 6,981. Stop at 6,975. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.